To add or subtract decimals, line up the digits and the decimal points. So for this example, we need to line everything up vertically. So we have 7.52 plus 8.3, and you can add zeros if you like. And the 14, we need to write that as 14.00. So we add everything together. And our final answer is 29.82. So again, if you're adding or subtracting decimals, line up the decimal points and the digits, and add zeros where necessary. Let's look at a subtraction problem. We have 100 minus 9.1. Again, line everything up vertically. So we have 100, and I'm going to add a decimal point and some zeros, minus 9.1, and then subtract. And when you have to borrow a lot, subtract carefully. To check your answer, you can go back and add your answer to the last number to see if you get the first number. Next, let's look at some multiplication problems. We have the following problem: 3.7 times 0.21 just like with whole number multiplication, just multiply the regular way. And then figure out where the decimal point belongs in your answer. Come up here to the original problem. Count how many how many digits are to the right of the decimal points. So we have 1 here, and we have 2 here. So we have 3 total. What that 3 means is when you multiply and get your final answer, there should be 3 digits to the right of the decimal point. So our decimal belongs up here in the front. Let's look at another example. We have this multiplication problem. And just multiply carefully. Second row. And finally the third row. You don't have to add zeros, but I do just to hold the place values and to keep everything lined up. So now we can add everything together. Now, where would the final decimal point go? Correct, right between the 2 and the 8. So we have our final answer. In the next video, we will look at dividing decimals.